Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me, and I decided to just use PR makeup. So I've seen other YouTubers do that and I'm like, oh, that's kind of interesting. And I don't get as much as some other channels and bigger channels, but I get some really good stuff. And I feel like I get, because okay, so I don't have a PO box, I don't have my address up there. I have my email, and so I usually, when I get PR from a company, there has been a back and forth, and we're sort of establishing a relationship. And so when I get the product, I'm in communication with them. It's not just like mystery product and then nobody knows if I got it, or anyway. So my point is, I just thought it would be great to show you what I like, but doesn't necessarily fit into a new category of, ooh, a haul, or, oh, what's new at Sephora, or drugstore only, or whatever it might be, you know? So I'm like, I'll just share with you guys what I get. And some of this I got a while ago and you've seen me use before, and then some of this you maybe haven't seen and you're like, whoa, that's great, I didn't know that existed. And if I have discount codes, I will include them in my description box. As a matter of fact, I do have a really good discount code for one of the products, so be sure to catch that. And there you are. All right, so I am going to start with foundation, and I have this Doll 10 foundation. This is the Hydroluxe Smoothing Foundation. This is in partnership with the, that sounds so like, ooh, buzzword. No, this is in conjunction with the Doll 10, the Hydroluxe Concealer, which you've seen me rave about. Foundation is it's pretty awesome. There's a few things about it that keep me from using it frequently because I think it has one or two ingredients that can be triggering for my rosacea, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I feel like I'm far away. Do I feel far away to you? I think there's a little bit of lemon or something in this. Is that better? Oh, and I'm yellow. This is a yellow base, which I think is funny that I wore a pink shirt. I think you're realizing how yellow this is because of the fact that I'm so pale and I'm wearing this like petal pink blouse. So yeah, that's gonna influence what you think this shade looks like. Let's take a look here. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I'm gonna put my City Lips on. Did any of you get their buy one get one free? You guys, I feel so bad that I'm like addicted to this $35 lip plumper, but I do have a discount code. But it's good stuff. I mean, it's not just there to like zing up your lips. It actually, they sent me, it actually, what's the word I'm looking for? Has these like spheres that give your lip an improved appearance over time, right? Okay. I'm having a hard time here, folks. Oh, Model's Own. Is this still at Ulta? Golly, it's products come and go, and then you think, oh, that wasn't so good, it's already gone, and then it's like, well, no, they just probably didn't want to pay. I bet you shelf space is so freaking expensive that if you're not like huge, you may not be able to afford constantly keeping the shelf space at Ulta. That's just a theory of mine. I have no idea how it works. I'm using the Model's Own. This concealer, Cover It Concealer, is heavy duty, man. It's good. Good stuff. Amazing Cosmetics. You guys, we never talk about Amazing Cosmetics. I feel like they came out with heavy duty concealer first. Well, no, maybe MAC did. I mean, who's to say, right? But they are so kind. They always send me things from time to time, and they have this primer. It's an Illuminate Eye Primer, and it has like a rose, like there's different shades. Ah, excuse me, my voice just gulped. And I think this eyeshadow primer is pretty spectacular, and it goes on as kind of matte and velvety and not too thick, and I like it. I do. I'm gonna set everything with my Wonder 2 Selfie powder. It's I need another. Remember this model company, Sculpt and Glow? It's like a total dupe to the Chanel Sublime Soleil la, 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 thing, you know? I love this stuff, and I don't want it to go away. So I'm gonna, it's kind of a cream. It's a bit of a cream to powder. Oh, hello, garbage truck. Thanks for showing up. And I'm kind of just filling out my edges. Company and item I want to focus on is Gorgeous Cosmetics. They are out of Australia, but you can get them on Sephora Australia. You can get them on their own website. In fact, I have a 50% off coupon. I said that right, 50% off. So this reminds me of a very, it's a high-end brand. These are $48, I think. It reminds me of like a Laura Mercier or something to that effect. Maybe you've tried them. I saw their name, but never tried their products, and they're beautiful. So they sent me these, and I feel so lucky because this is eyeshadow. The pans are huge. It's beautiful product. It's very high quality. Then there's this palette, face palette, and they have several. This one is the blush and highlight. Is that just so beautiful? It's beautiful. Yeah, and I have a lip product too that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start with this eyeshadow, and I'm going to do the Wayne Goss. Am I going to just use one shade? I might use more than that. I was going to do the Wayne Goss one eyeshadow shade trick, and then I'm like, oh no, I'll save that for a different video. Oh, I'm so funny. I am going to use, I don't think it has names. I'm going to use this shade right here. And I'm going to just make this a very casual, everything just really pretty and feminine. I'm not going to make it like any particular, like, cause my other, that video I did with the, what did I call that? Multicolor tutorial was so fun, and I loved the outcome. I love that palette, but I want to just do kind of like, not as structured, just throwing on color here, just keeping it casual. And I'm going to do something Wayne Goss does. I am going to do something. And he starts underneath, not like this. Ah! Okay. So he goes under on the lower lash line and focuses on the corner here, because he's like, we always forget that corner, and then it's blank. And I agree. Sometimes I'll take a photo of makeup for Instagram, and then I can see where I'm not connected. So these shadows are super pigmented, and this is why I went kind of full throttle right there, which I will fix. So I'm doing the corner. gonna take this really short, dense brush more and go up my corner. Yeah. Do not chew that, Phoebe. Those are my sweaters. No, those are my summer clothes. Still in storage. Do not chew that. She's chewing the Velcro. No, it's the seam, the zipper on my storage tote for, you know, when you like fold up all your spring clothes or sweaters and you put them in like a container store thing. It's one of those soft ones. It's not a plastic bin. It's a soft storage. Okay. Stop it. I'm gonna just clean up a bit. Well, I have got to take advantage of this beautiful blush palette. So I'm gonna use these top two shades right here. This is just called Blush Highlight Palette. Oh, Potato Cake, Nude, Peach, Glow, Rhubarb, Natural. I'm wondering if this shade is Rhubarb. Let me just tap that. That's cute. So pretty. Right? I'm gonna do two highlighters. I'm gonna show, because I have to show you one. Okay, so this one has a highlighter, so let's use it. Check it out. Ooh, it's a little more sparkly than I thought. I might not. Okay, the white shade is good. Huh, the highlighter is like a soft gleam, and then it kind of has a couple chunks. So the blush is so pretty. I need to focus more on that. This is the other highlighter I was talking about. JD Glow. This is Serenity pressed highlighter. That's the face of, are you kidding me? It's so amazing. Not, I'm pissed, because my pissed face and my are you kidding me face is kind of the same. And also in England, pissed means drunk, but pissed here in the States means upset. So I think it's kind of funny. When I say pissed, I don't mean drunk. I mean, but are we looking at that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hi. We want more glow and highlight for summer, right? We do. I know it's only March, but let's pretend it's July. Okay, this JD Glow eyeshadow single they sent, and it is in shade Limelight. Girl, you cannot begin to understand the craziness of this. There are lots of indie brands out there, you guys, that have amazing, amazing things. So I suggest, you know, go down a rabbit hole of stuff and I'll lead you there. This is just amazing. And so thank you, JD Glow, for sending it to me. Yeah. I said, I'm not gonna do structured or anything weird or anything, you know, and here I am just putting this like crazy, I just want to put it right here. You can play with these in terms of adding setting spray. So it's just pretty. I'm going to use my Wander Beauty Mile High Mascara. Where are you? There you are. I was sent one. And you guys have seen this before, so it's nothing new. As well as my Dalton Archmaster. Where art thou? It's a 3-in-1 eyebrow product. And one of you told me to use this kind of shadow filler part first, and then it gives the brow gel a grip. It's like, yes, I am down with that. This one's brand new, so it's like, oh look, it's so rich and pigmented and not dried out. And we know how amazing the Wander Beauty Mile High Mascara. This part I'm excited about. This is the lipstick. So this is Gorgeous Cosmetics, and the shade is Persuasion. I don't know if I want lip pencil or not, lip liner, we'll see. So here we go, look at that. I picked out a red. We're like, what color do you want? I don't remember this, I think it's in that. Normally I don't have, I feel like my eyebrows are a little bit darker today, and I'm a little thrown off with having more stuff under here. But that's okay. Are my corners good? As long as my corners are good, right? Here, I'll let you see the makeup up close. Thank you, everyone that sent me. All these, thank you, Doll 10, Wonder 2, Gorgeous Cosmetics, Wander Beauty. I know there's more. JD Glow, thank you. Yeah, so I'll list everything below, like I said. And like, I have a discount code for Amazing Cosmetics. I think it still works. And, you know, I have a discount code for Gorgeous Cosmetics. So yeah, you guys, I will list everything below. Thank you so much for watching. I like that I could just put makeup on and hang with you guys, and I hope that you did that too. And let me know any other Get Ready With Me themes you want to see. I hope you've subscribed to my channel and click the like thumb and everything else. Alrighty, and you know, have a great day. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.